in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your microphone input format on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then there should be an item underneath the advanced section that says all sound devices. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select your input device for your microphone. And then where it says input settings format, click the drop down and you can adjust what the formatting that is used for that microphone may be. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.